Alright guys, so here is the box itself. Very nice looking box, but let's go ahead and check out the size sticker. Here you'll see the official name as the Air Jordan 4 Retro in the off-white / military blue colorway, and these are a size 11. I wear a 10.5, but these are the only ones I was able to get early. So go ahead and pop off the lid. We get some splattered paper. And here is the shoe itself. These do come with an orange Nike hang tag, as you see there. And my first impressions is that it is a very beautiful looking shoe. Super clean, and I'm just very excited to go ahead and put these on feet and see how they actually look. One thing I did notice right away is the quality of the leather. It's a very smooth leather, not soft at all. Even here surrounding the ankle area, as you guys can see, it is a very smooth, hard leather. I am no leather expert, so I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. However, I did originally think it is a bad thing. It just felt a little cheap, but I could be wrong. Like I said, I am no expert, but one thing I did do is compare it to the military black. Here on the ankle area, you can definitely tell that it's a lot softer leather, but as I mentioned earlier, the softer could be a cheaper material, and the more smooth leather could actually mean that it's higher quality. I mean, you still could see the crinkles as I press it down, so even if it is cheaper leather, I don't think it's very crappy cheap. I've seen someone say that these have Panda Dunk type of leather. That's definitely not the case, but I guess I was just expecting a more softer type of leather. Nonetheless, that's my only gripe about this sneaker, and even then, I'm still 1000% keeping this shoe. The nubuck surrounding the toe box is also very smooth. It almost feels like it's not even a nubuck material. It's just so smooth, just like the rest of the shoe. The color is outstanding in my opinion. We have a mixture of white, off-white, light gray, and that military blue color. It goes so well together, and it's just an amazing looking sneaker. On the back, we do have that Nike Air labeling with a plastic back tab as well. Moving on to the inside of the shoe, we have those same mixtures of colors which just make the shoe look great. The leather on the toe box is also that same type of leather that we have throughout the entire sneaker. Very smooth. These do come with white shoelaces, and it is the only pair of laces these come with. But having said that, let's go ahead and put them on feet and see what they look like when wearing them.